It's this kiss.
So means we have got some pancake batter that we brought home, and we kept it in the fridge, didn't we? We made pancakes at Nanny's, and we're going to have some now that you've just come home from school. Do you think Mummy can do pancakes better than Nanny?
I think so.
You think so?
Nanny, if you can go quick.
Do you think I can go quick? Shall we see?
Just go pour, 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 then go mix, 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 maybe.
Let's pour it in.
Is that going to make a pancake?
Yeah.
So we
Oh,
have to
do you know what? We'll
make
put it all in.
If you're
Here we go. Ready? We're going to go for the flip now, Millie. Are you ready for this? Do you think Mummy will do it? So it's all gone from the edges now. It's not milky anymore. Here we go. Oh my goodness, I'm nervous. Oh, wow.
Whoa!
That almost made it. Should we flip it again and see if it works?
Okay.
Here we go. Flip. Yeah, look at that, hey.
Whoa!
It's cooked both sides now. Flip.
Cool, Mum.
Okay, we're ready. Here it comes on the plate. Mind out, it's going to be nice and hot. There we go.
And then you have to turn it around a bit.
Oh,
I bet it's hot.
that's it. Nice drizzle. Give it a shake. That's it. All over. That's it. That'll do. Well. That'd be a really big lemon pancake. And now sprinkle some sugar.
Okay.
You know how to tap your finger on it? That's it. Lovely. That's enough, darling. That's quite a lot.
Anyone.
Oh my goodness. Tooth Fairy isn't going to like that.
I don't know that.
No, that's fine. Now rub the back of the spoon around on the pancake. Spreads it out all nice, doesn't it? Now we do a roll, and it's quite hot for your fingers at the minute, so let Mummy do it. We roll it over. Like that. Oh my goodness. Big fat pancake. Look at that.
Goodbye.